In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a sale price on Shopify products for 2025. Whether you're running a seasonal sale or offering a special discount, adjusting the sale price on Shopify is a straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to apply discounts to your products with ease, ensuring your customers get the best deals while you maintain control over your pricing strategy. So let's dive right into it. First, begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to the Shopify website. Log in using your credentials to access the main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation menu is situated. Next, click on the Products tab from this menu. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the products you have in your store's inventory. The Products page allows you to manage your stock, descriptions, and pricing details. It's important to keep this page well organized to streamline how you apply changes across multiple items. Now, scroll through the list of products until you find the specific item you want to put on sale. For today's demonstration, we're using Example Shirt 2. Click on the name of this product to open its detailed view page. This section displays intricate details about the product, including its title, description, and multiple pricing fields. Navigating this space proficiently will allow you to implement changes quickly and accurately. Focus your attention on the Compare at Price field, which is crucial when setting a product on sale. This field typically displays the original higher price of the item before any discounts are applied. Input the original price here to show customers that they're getting a deal. It helps highlight the discount when they see the higher original price next to your current sale price. After filling in the Compare at Price, you must adjust the price field to reflect the new sale price. This will be the cost your customers actually pay. Ensure that the relationship between the Compare at Price and the price fields clearly demonstrates the discount percentage you're offering. It's always a good practice to double-check your entries to avoid confusion or potential pricing mistakes that could impact your revenue. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Save button located at the top or bottom of the page. By doing so, your adjustments will be applied instantly, and your customers will see the updated pricing when they visit your store. The visibility of the original and sale prices can often entice shoppers to make a purchase, capitalizing on the perceived value. And that's it! You've successfully set a sale price on a Shopify product. Remember, clear and attractive pricing strategies can significantly improve your customer engagement and sales performance. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on running your Shopify store effectively.